Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your YouTube channel name. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is click on your profile icon on the top right, go to view your channel, then you should see the option to customize channel, so you want to click on that. And then once you're on here, you just need to scroll down a little bit, and then you should see name. And this will just let you know you can change your name twice in 14 days. And changes made to your name and picture are visible only to YouTube and not other Google services. So obviously you can change it to whatever you like on here. And then once you're happy, all you have to do is select publish on the top right hand side. And that will change your YouTube channel name. Thanks for watching.